Hello everyone. In this exercise of SolidWorks, I will create the assembly and animation and exploded view. In the previous exercise, I have made all the components, 6 parts of this screw jack assembly. Okay, these are the 6 parts: base, rotating member, bolt, hex nut, lock nut, screw portion. In this exercise, I will create the assembly, animation, and exploded. Let's start. This is the SolidWorks. New, I make the assembly, this one. Okay, this is the assembly window. Okay, in the screw, I have made all the parts. I am opening this. These are the parts which I have made in the previous exercise. Okay, I am browsing. First part, I am taking base. This part, base, open. Now this part's coming in the graphic area, but don't click in this graphic area. Go in this view head up tool. Don't click, please don't click in the graphic area and go in this view head up tool here. This is hide and show. Click this dino arrow key and click this view origin. Now you will see in the graphic area there are 2 origin. One is the origin of the assembly. One is the origin of the part. So again, go in the view head up tool. Don't click in the graphic area. Click down arrow key and this, you click on this. Now it is at the center of graphic area of the assembly. Okay. If you see this is the assembly front plane, top plane, and this one. If you click the front plane of the assembly, control key, and the front plane of the part, you will see in the these are in the same plane. In the same way, top plane, control, and top plane of the part, yeah, these are the same plane. Again, right plane and control and the right plane of this one, these are then the same plane. In this way, you can locate a part in the assembly at the center of assembly portion part. Okay, now hide this origin. Click and this one, right? And background plain white, and unit system is the millimeter gram second. First part in the assembly is always fixed. If you click, right click, float, you can float it, but I am not floating this part. This part is flipped. Okay, now I bring another part, insert component. Now I am bringing hex bolt, this one, hex bolt, open. Now it is coming. This small window comes, you can rotate. This window helps in rotating the part. Okay, but I am not rotating anywhere. About X, Y, Z axis, you can rotate it from this window. Okay, now click in the graphic area. Now matte, select this cylindrical face and this face. This relation concentric. This one. Again. Now cancel it. Insert another component. Another component is the hex nut. This one, and this click. Click in the graphic area. There is no need to rotate it. Okay. Now click this portion. No, matte. Click this circular face and this circular face. This relation is concentric. Okay. Now again, select this face, this face, and this face. This is the coincidence, this relation. Okay, take it out. Okay, now again matte. This one, this face, and this face. This is coincidence relation. Now it is coincidence of this. Okay, you can proper representation of the net. You can select this face and this face and make a relation parallel. Okay, only for the proper look you can do this thing. In the same way, select this face and this face. This is the parallel relation. Okay, now cancel it. Insert another component, that is the rotating member. This is the rotating member. This one. There is no need to rotate it. Click in the graphic area. Matte, select this face and this face. This is the concentric relation. Okay. Now this one. This is concentric with the this hex bolt. Okay. Now go in the advanced mat. Width mat. In this upper box, width selection. Select this face and this face. Okay. Now in the tab section, you select this face and this face. This is the width. Now it is at the center of these two faces. Okay. And hit right button, cancel it. This is, now it is rotating. You will see this is rotating. But I want to fix, I am fixing this one. How I will fix this one? Mat. Select this face and this face. This is parallel. This is parallel face. Now it will not rotate. You will see. Okay. Now insert component. Now I am bringing the screw. This is screw. This one. This screw is coming. And now I will rotate. You will see the hole is in the left version. I want to keep the hole up. So you rotate it about x-axis. This one. This one. This position I want. Okay. Click in the graphic area. Now mat. Select this face. I will make a screw relation. Go in the mechanical screw relation. Or in this tab section, select this cylindrical face and this face. This one. Now in the distance regulation, because pitch of this is 2 mm. Pitch of this screw is the 2 mm. Reverse direction and hit right button, cancel it. In order to bring up and down, you have to rotate it this one. Just press the left mouse button and drag and rotate it. This way you can rotate this one. This will rotate. Just press left mouse button and rotate it. This one. This is rotating this one. If you, in order to bring up, you can rotate anti-clockwise direction this way. Press left mouse button and hold it and rotate it. Then in this way you can get this thing. Okay. Now if you see the section view, you can see this one. Also you can, in this position you can see, press left mouse button, hold it and rotate it. You will see. In order to bring up, you have to rotate anti-clockwise. In order to bring it downward, you have to rotate it clockwise. This one, because this is the right hand thread. Okay. Now cancel this one. Okay. Now I will bring the another component, that is the lock nut, in this position and this one. Now with the help of this small window, I will rotate it. I will rotate about this axis, about x-axis, and this one. This position I want. This one, mat, and this cylindrical face, inner face, and this one, that is the concentric relation, this one. And slightly keep it up, and again one relation. Select this bottom face and this face, and make the relation coincidence, this one, and cancel it. This I have made this one. So I have completed this assembly. Okay. Right click, pan it and rotate it here, this one. Now right click, select it. Now in the assembly I will explode. You will see there is an exploded view. In the command manager, in the assembly section, you will find it exploded view. This one, explode view, click this one. This window comes. Now you have to explode it. How I will explode it? First you select the one part. In this window, click this option, add a step. This is for radial explosion, and this is the regular step, translate and rotate. This is the radial direction. In the radial direction, if you want to move the component, you can select this option, but I am selecting regular step. This one, first select this bolt and hit this arrow key. You have to press the arrow key, and in which direction you want to bring, click here. Okay, and done. Now again, now I will bring this, select this one and this arrow. This you have to press on the arrow mouse button left and hold it and drag it in this way, and done it. Now and this zoom to fit. Now this time I am bring this one and again this one, bring it up, done, and zoom to fit. Okay, now I am pressing this and this, press on the arrow and left mouse button and drag it, this one and this one, this you have to press this first button in the view header tool, this one. Okay, first press this and this one. Now I want again, if you want to edit any exploded part, you have to select first is this one, second is this one, press third button, third part, this is the screw, press, click this in this window and again slightly more explode it, this one in this way. Okay, and this one, and done it. Again this part, and this is this part, and click on this arrow key and press left mouse button and drag it, this one in this way. Okay, and now done, and select this part, rotating part, and press this arrow, press left mouse button, hold it and click on this arrow, you have to click on the arrow and this one, select it, this one, and done it, and this zoom to fit. Okay, suppose again you want to more this one, third, this one and this one, and click slightly more, done. Okay, now this one, click on this arrow, hold mouse button, left mouse button and drag it, this one. Okay, done. After clicking, after positioning the part, you have to done, click on the done. Now next part is this rotating member, click, slightly move up this way you can move with this one, and done it, and hit right button and this one. This is the exploded view of this assembly. Okay, now you go in the future tree manager, go here, configuration manager. Configuration you can also do it from here also, collapse and animation, but I will do, you go in this future tree manager, there is a configuration manager, click here and open this, right click, first collapse it will collapse. Now in this exploded view, right click, animate explode, this one, this is the playback mode, this one. In this way you can show the animation. Okay, cancel and right click, collapse it, save it, you save the assembly. A double assembly, and A, this one, and path is this one. Okay, now this is the save part. Okay, now in the command manager you go press left right mouse button and go in this toolbar. Then you will find the motion manager here, but I have all the motion manager, motion study here. First, if you uncheck, this will disappear. Right click, toolbars, motion manager. Okay, you will find this motion study. Click here, and here you can select the basic animation, this animation. Now here in this you will find this one, animation wizard, this one. You will find this animation wizard. Animation wizard will open, explode it. Next, gives a suitable time, suppose 6 seconds I am giving for exploding. This one, start time 0, because the start time is 0. Finish. Again animation wizard. Now this time collapse. Next, This time also I'm taking 6 seconds, but the start time will be 6. This one. Finish it. Now first calculate it. This one. This way. In this way, you can show the animation and play it. This one. This is total 12 seconds. 6 for the exploding, 6 the or start time is 0. Okay. Now, if you want to save this animation, click on this save animation. Save animation, give the file name. This one, this is the path. This is the path, and here is the file. That is the MP4. This one. I am selecting this file. And this file, custom aspect ratio, you can select it 16:9. This one. This and frame you can select here. Suppose I am taking 30 frame. This one. And save it. This one. The motion study result out of that you want. Actually, it wants recalculate. It wants to update. Yes. This one. This one. This. In this way, this is save. It will save after completion the time. It will save where you have given the path. Okay, and now it will complete the thing. Okay, I hope you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. Please like, share, and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much.